What's up, YouTube? We here back with another video. It's Jason or Lofty back here, and before this video starts, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. A lot of you guys that watch aren't subscribed. I can check by my analytics, and don't forget to smash that thumbs up button. Helps out the channel a lot. Gets it like spread it out and everything. But here we're gonna be mainly going over my week 2 of my portfolio, and I just want to say that a lot of stuff is gonna hit the fan, I think personally, in July, just due to the fact that unemployment is gonna either go down. There has been talks of them going down to 250 a week or 350 a week. I think the stock market won't crash essentially because the feds are gonna just be printing money so it doesn't crash. But I do think it's gonna have a little dip, and it's just gonna go like this for a while. It's just gonna go up and down, up and down. So all these day traders with these hearts, for example, that the dealership hearts, man, that thing was a penny stock and it got up to $5 in like, I think a couple days after it dropped down to like a couple cents, maybe. I think it was like 28 cents it dropped, some shit like that. It dropped down that low. And these penny stock motherfuckers, bro, they getting money right now. Congrats to them, bro, but that shit is like gambling. That shit is risky as fuck. I don't know if I'd ever do that, to be honest with you. I probably won't, just due to the fact that I wouldn't want to, I'm too scared to lose money like that. And that's a huge gamble, personally, I think. But that's just something I probably will not do. But you never know. Penny stocks might be the wave for right now, the next couple years, due to the fact of all this fucking up and down due to the coronavirus and all that shit. Because, dude, they making some bank, those penny stock traders, and just like normal, like day trading, honestly, with you too. Because, like, all this fucking volatility in the stock market is just insane. This week, all I actually did was deposit $100 this week, due to the fact that I'm saving more money, not into investing, but into a savings account right now, Capital One. I did upload a video about it, but I talked to my cousin about it, and I did mess up on some parts. It's a 1% annual, yearly amount. It's not monthly. He's in some finance class. Shout out to Adam. Help me out with it. Help me understand it more, because I just misunderstood, and that's the whole point of learning, I guess. Like, but it's still a really good percentage due to other banks not even paying close to that as an annual interest. So open up a Capital One if you guys want, but I'm still keeping mine open, and I'm putting a lot of money into it due to the fact that I'm trying to get my CDL, truck driving, when I turn 21, and so I just have money on the side just for security reasons, just so I could pay it off cash when time is there to do it, I guess. And if I have to do it. This week all I did was transfer $100 in, and I think I'm going to be doing $100 for a couple weeks until I get like everything else situated where I have it. But I did invest into Fidelity Healthcare. I've talked about this in one of my videos. There's going to be the card pop up in the top right corner right there of the video. I break it down. They have a 30% return rate within a year, and they have almost a 16% life expectancy to get a return back. So that is insane. Like, I break it down into one of that video that was up in the top right corner. And then I bought more Realty due to the fact they are like a monthly dividend paying company, and then they basically rent out like Kroger's buy their like building and rent it out to them, in like movie theaters, Costco's, Sam's Club, I believe, and a bunch of other companies that people shop at every day. So like the chances of them going bankrupt and like stuff like that are very slim to none. And they actually pay a really good dividend monthly if you have actually a lot of them, and it's pretty good. I'd highly recommend it. But once again, do your homework. I am not a financial advisor, so do whatever you guys got to do to make sure you're making the right decisions on your behalf. And My last one, I'm actually gonna start investing a lot more into the Vanguard Index Fund, S&P 500, just due to the fact that best 500 companies in just one pile. You're always gonna get money, and they pay a really good dividend also. And I only I deposited 30 in the S&P 500, the Vanguard one, and I did $30 and in the Realty one, and 40 in the healthcare. We're here on my actual account, like of everything, my 401ks and my individual account with Fidelity. I have not added any money into my second 401k IRA due to the fact that I think I'm going to start implementing money next week, or maybe tomorrow when the stock market opens, and then I'll do a video of what is going to be into my 401k and show you guys what my strategy is going to be, because I already found my strategy and I think I know exactly what I'm going to do. But I just wanted to show you guys, I literally almost a year ago, July 23rd, right here, I started with $57.70 just with my 401k. And this is both my 401k, obviously, and my individual stocks involved. And right now, I am sitting at $12,571.91. And my peak this year so far was $12,598. And oh nope, it was $12,561.40 June 10th. And if you guys are really thinking about investing, use Fidelity or Robinhood. I highly suggest those two due to the fact that you're able to fractional buy shares of any share you want. Use your mobile phone. If you don't have a computer and you just want to do that, you can literally buy fractions of a share. Okay, I'm doing that personally with Fidelity. That's why I'm able to divide the $100 a week that I'm going to be using for the next couple of weeks and divide it up and split it up. You could buy a stock with $1 in it. So say if you have $20 to invest every week, you can do that with Fidelity and Robinhood. Any of the other apps, I'm not 200% sure what you're able to do with them due to the fact I've never used them and I don't know anything about them, okay? So we're going to break it down right now. We're in my individual stock right now. We're going to go into my summary, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about when I first started, okay? In my individual account, I put $280 in September 18th. That was my first actual investing period ever. Like ever I started investing, okay? And I think I bought a PepsiCo stock and a Target stock, okay? And then January 3rd was my next investment, and then I think I also bought more PepsiCo, okay? Just due to the fact that I was working with them. And then March 2nd, I didn't buy anything either. I think I just stayed the same, and it just actually went up in value like my thing. March 2nd, everything skyrocketed due to the fact I started saving like crazy in the beginning of the year, okay? Beginning of the year, first 3 months, I was saving every penny I possibly could, literally just like savings. I was working through the pandemic, and I mean the pandemic's still here, but I was just working consistently like crazy every day, and then I would just come home and do nothing. I wouldn't spend anything, and then that's where everything basically took off for me. I put in $2,000 into my account and I started buying a bunch of stocks, and then maybe a couple weeks later, March 30th, I put in another $1,000. Couple weeks later, I put in I think it was another 2,000 or another 1,000 right here at April 13th, I hit 4,000, and I think I put in another 1,000, and then April 15th, I put in another 1,000, and then etc. I just kept going up and up, and then in my individual account, my peak was $8,912. And right now I just had a little dip, and then right now I am currently sitting at $8,661.57. My whole plan right now for the future of investing is basically consistency, which you guys should try to do if you guys are a dividend investor. Just keep a certain amount of stocks you want to keep investing, so the compound interest just really piles up. Maybe pick like 20 stocks that you have full confidence in, or maybe that's what my whole goal is. I'm picking 25 stocks that I'm gonna actually continue investing like crazy into the next maybe five years. I'm gonna just hammer these 25, and I'm gonna start splitting up the $100 or more money that I'm able to do every week into the 25. I'm gonna try to do that. That's my whole goal. I think I'm gonna be leaning more towards technology, due to the fact Apple is like my best one that's giving me crazy results right now. They gave me $362 since I've gotten them, not including dividends, mind you. I bought them at $1,000 right there, $1,076, and now they're valued at $1,439. I'm currently sitting at double digits at a percentage of the whole time since I've been investing. Right there, you can see my other ones today. I've only been up $35, which isn't too bad, to be honest with you. But these are all my stocks for the newcomers. I have Apple, I have Bud Light, I have Carnival. Reason why I bought Carnival, they were so cheap. I'm planning on selling off Carnival later on down the road if they don't implement their dividends. But if they implement their dividends back to normal like how they had back then I will most likely just keep them. I bought only $150 because it was just money I could play with. And then I'm going to get rid of this Coca-Cola stock also because I thought it was the actual KO stock, but I didn't know. One of my things, I should have done more research when I first started investing. I spent $53 with them, and now it's at $705. So once again, it wasn't that bad of a buy. But right now, if you can see, they're only a quarter of their lowest, and towards their highest, they still have 75% say to get back to where they were within the 52 weeks that they were up there. And then we just got my 4 Fidelity mutual funds that I do have. I went over 3 of them in my video that I talked about in the beginning. Then I have IBM, I have Johnson & Johnson, I have Coca-Cola, I have Realty, I have Pepsi, and then I have Philip Morris, and then I have Redwood Trust, and then I have AT&T, Target, S&P 500 of Vanguard, and then ExxonMobil. Highly recommend ExxonMobil. Very good stock, to be honest with you. Their dividends are amazing. But that's pretty much it I got for you guys. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Mama love me so I can't do no wrong. Mama in the trap, so this her favorite song. I'm gon' get them racks, little baby, they so long. Said I